Hey everybody, it's Christine, and today I have a brand new box of Bella Boulevard goodies. So I am going to bust into that and show you everything. I have literally just opened it up. So let's dive in. This is the newest stuff that they have come out with, and some of it is even brand new product styles. So the first thing is the Squeeze the Day collection. This one is a new, as you can see, kind of fruit themed collection that has lots of fun patterns and stuff. I've only seen the sneaks online. I haven't actually seen any of them. But what's new, even more new about this, is that this is a 6x6 paper pad. So I'm going to attempt to open it up. Bella hasn't had 6x6 paper pads, at least recently. And so this is a new addition to their lineup. So you can see all the traditional Bella colors, and we'll look at this up close with the big full-size patterned papers, but scaled down, perfect for cards, perfect for layouts too, quite honestly, perfect for lots of things, and gives you a good taste of the collection. Then also, we've got the Bella Besties, which these are kind of like the Plaids and Dottie collection that came out last year. It's meant to kind of just be a neutral collection that you can use for a whole variety of stuff and to coordinate with their other collections. So this one, what I like about this one that's different from Plaids and Dottie is that it is monochromatic. So instead of having the white background, you've got the coordinating color background. So that'll be really nice to have. You just can never have too many patterned papers, especially ones that work great for backgrounds. Okay, so now let's approach this with some sort of organization. I'm going to pull out the papers here from the bottom first, just because I think those are good to dive into before we get into the embellishments and seeing how they coordinate. Like I said, I didn't even open this until I came up here because I wanted you guys to get my first response. So here's the patterned papers for Squeeze the Day. So you can see you've got this fun one with lemons and limes and watermelons, pineapples, strawberries, all those different fun fruits. And then a great yellow grid background. Okay, and then we've got this awesome watermelon one. And the B side of that is some really pretty flowers on a white background, a very small scale on those. Very traditional Bella Boulevard paper with the hearts and especially the colors on this one. And then the B side is this really pretty green-blue color with the spots. And we've got bananas. And again, another very traditional design for Bella Boulevard with their stripes and the dots on those stripes and of course the colors. Then we've got oranges, and the B side is some black with white dots. And we've got cherries. This is a fun one. This will be a really nice background if you can handle a red background. I can. I know lots of people are like, whoa, too much for a background, but Christine likes color. So this one to me says background paper. Just because it's got that nice sort of monochromatic look. It's red and pink, but it's not so busy that you can't use it for a background. Lemons and limes. And then we've got a green grid. These will be nice for backgrounds as well. And then this one has the smiles, and it's got little words all over it. So you can see you've got smiles, sweet, love you, love, crazies, all kinds of fun stuff. So the rainbows, the hearts, the fruit, and then all these little cute words. And then the back side of that is a whole bunch of smaller rainbows. And then we've got this really fun lemon page. Look at that really pretty black background with it. I love the little details here. You can see there's flowers and little dots. And then the back side has writing, "You are sweet, so, so sweet. You are sweet. Eat fruit to be cute. Eat fruit to be cute. Sweet on you." So all kinds of fun little sweet themed sayings. Then we've got strawberries and a pink background. The border page, always a fun one. Let me make sure you get all the borders. So you got follow the rainbow, the hearts, watermelons, just some spots, strawberries. Today is sublime. Excuse me. Oranges, stripes, life is short. Squeeze all you can out of it. Cherries, more spots, pears, I'm so sweet, and rainbows. The back side, this is a really pretty color. Orange with the white background, or white dot background. Then we've got the daily details. So these are the cut apart cards. All sorts of different cute little phrases on here. Perfect for cards and for layouts. And then a black grid. And then we've got the Besties. So I'm going to set those aside for just a minute and finish going through the rest of that collection so that you can see all of it. So squeeze the day. Then we've got the ephemera. And this is the icons pack. So you've got just gobs and gobs of stuff in here. 88 pieces total. So you've got things like, you've got your fruit icons, of course, but you've also got things like tabs. And this is not going to have so much of the words. I'm not going to take you through every single little piece here, but you can see just lots and lots of fun options that coordinate perfectly with all the papers. Tabs. Okay, that one does have some words, but this one is more focused on the actual icons and on words. So a lot of your embellishing can be done with this. And then likewise, you've got the ephemera words. Okay, and that one is going to be all about the words. And again, I'm not going to take you through every bit and piece of it, but I will show you here. This back side shows you. You've got banners, you've got script words, you've got long banners with little words, you've got scallop-shaped circles, you've got tags, you've got all kinds of stuff there. Let me just flip through a little bit so you can get an idea of what size they are. So you can see they obviously all fit in my hand, so they're not gigantic, but some of them will work quite well for titles and stuff like this. And others will be great for subtitles and journaling and embellishing. Okay, so that is the ephemera. Now, we've got a new feature. We have got Bella Pops. So if you're a fan of Doodlebug, you've seen the Doodle Pops. These are the Bella Boulevard version of them. So we've got this cute little orange and lemon set. We've also got a pear set. Then we've got some epoxy pieces. Oh, wait, I see another Bella Pop. I might have more buried in here, we'll see. Strawberries, cherries, okay. And then we've got the epoxies. So these are little epoxy pieces. We've got these hearts, and then we've got the fruit-shaped ones. And you can see they're not huge. They're perfect for embellishing, smaller scale. And then, let's see, the washi. Washi is always fun. Bella has two different sizes of washi, so you can see this bigger one, wider one, has all the fruits on it. And then these thinner ones have a more basic pattern, okay? Then we've got some more stuff that coordinates with it. We've got some acrylic words. These are perfect for titles. We've got some pink puffy stars in that cotton candy pink color. Some black and white heart hugs. Some cute clips. More heart hugs in a couple different shades of pink. Oh, and there's another Bella Pop. Okay, this one's got the rainbows with the hearts. So I like that these include multiple pieces. That's kind of a fun addition. Then we've got the wonky alphabet in the pickle juice color. And we've got a couple of the Florence alphas, which these, if you watch my videos, you know I am using these on nearly everything that I do. I love them. I love the shape of them. I love the size of them. I haven't run out. Like, I've never gone to it and needed a letter and been out yet. So just absolutely love the Florence alphas. This is in black and this one is in punch. Then we've got some clear cuts. These are the clear invisible versions. Invisible, that's probably not the right word, but yeah, okay, that's why I'm saying invisible. They are visible, but they're see-through. But yeah, it says invisibles here, that's why. So that one's obviously calendar. And then this one, I'm getting so many patterns going on here. Hold on, let me see if I can show you that better there. Okay, so you can see that one is some zigzags in that pickle juice color again. And then finally, we've got our stickers for this collection, Squeeze the Day. These are just gorgeous. Lots of uses. You got your borders, you've got your photo corners, you've also got some mini borders, the scallop circles again, you've got tabs, so a great complement to the collection and the ephemera. And then one of my favorites, again, the Chow Chip. Okay, look at these great titles that you've got here. You're Sweet, you've got, well, You're So Sweet. Sorry, I missed that for a minute there. I'm looking at it going, wait, what? Okay, so here we go. You're So Sweet. You've got Love here. You've got Squeeze the Day. You've got some great big borders, flowers, and these are nice and thick, okay? Chipboard, thick and sticky already. So fabulous fun to have with those. Now, these, the Bella Besties, this is the collection that I said is meant to be able to use with any of their collections. It can stand alone or it can stand within. Of course, Bella's collections always coordinate with one another, but these are going to make it just a little easier to have background pages for Bella. These are going to be great card bases. These come in every single one of Bella's signature colors. And you can see they're color on color, so they're monochromatic. They are not, they do not have that white base. Okay, well that one does. But that's gray, so that's why. So that's the back side with the, I gotta look at the title again on what the dots are called. Yeah, okay. Freehand, graph, and dot. That's what the specific design is called versus the plaids and dotties like we had before. Okay, so then here's the freehand graph side. You can see very subtle, but great color options. You can make this work for anything you want to do. So there you have it, the newest stuff from Bella Boulevard. You can check all of it out. I will link you up down below to it over at scrapbook.com. And I can't wait to get started creating. We'll see you again next time.